What's up, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. We're out here at Kinston Motorsport Park today. Boy, I'm already sweating. I ain't been here but like an hour. It's crazy. We're out here cash days. We got like 3 or 4 classes. It's gonna be a fun time. I put radials on my car and we're running the street tire class. So we're gonna step back in class and see how it works out. I haven't been on radials in a long time. So it's gonna be interesting. We'll see how it goes. Don't forget to go to turbojohnracing.com to grab yourself some merchandise and make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks, guys. All right, here we go. Y'all thought I was playing with y'all. Woo! Radials. God, I can't believe I got radials. What do you think, Randy?
You made the right decision, sir.
I don't own a set of drag radials. I'm on borrowed radials.
Nope, the last set you had, you just threw them in the trailer and said they're getting sold.
And now here we are. We show up to Kinston on a drag radial. But they do have a street tire class. We're about to roll up there now. We'll be rolling up there in just a few minutes to do our first shakedown. They're going to do the King of 252 classes first, and then we'll go second. We got the suspension that is set up in it now is radial prep. What y'all think? Air pressure, 15 pounds. They said it's going to pull 400. That's what we run. What on Randy's? 15 and a half? But now we also are trying to get after it real hard. We ain't going to be trying to get after it that hard with mine. So somewhere between,
I gotta see how the track is.
They're on 13 right now. I put them on 13 last night. So somewhere between 13 and 15. We got about 130% anti-squat. I'm going to tighten up the compression on the shock. Tie it down. We're gonna leave the travel in it, but I'm gonna just do it like we did it on the slicks. I think, honestly, maybe we should try the tune-up that we had in Thunder Valley with the slicks, because it wasn't spinning. It was dead hooking. Yeah, I mean, it was dead hooking. It was running a good ET. Yeah, I'm gonna grab the tune-up that we had at Thunder Valley, and that's what we're gonna put in it. We're gonna try to make it go on radial. Now, in theory, on radial, it should be faster because it's a radial. All right, we'll see. So Chase is here today too. He is currently lounging on the job. He's going to be one of our cameramen today. So here we go. We're going to be going shakedowns here in a minute. Car seems to be spooling okay. Did it sound pretty good? Is spool pretty decent? You gotta know. All right, guys. Well, here we go. This is the starting line. It's definitely got some good tack to it.
Tell them they better hope it don't work. They better hope it don't work.
Tyson will be really fast if it goes. It feels pretty decent. That feels good.
They're going to spread again. Yep. Definitely.
Hey, the nitrous cars, they're going to be in trouble. If it gets too good, I mean, I hate to say it, but they will be in trouble. Listen to the tack.
Ain't bad.
No, that's not bad. Sounds real similar to Thunder Valley. screwed that up. I'm in the staging lanes over here making some shock adjustments. I completely forgot to change these into pits. What I did is I left the extension the same because it's going to try to separate. And compression, I tightened it up. I was on 5 clicks. I went to 10. And so I also tightened up the low speed. It was on 0. And I went to 1 full turn. Now that one's got 3 turns on it. So we'll see how this does. Air pressure, we're going to go with 13 and a half. And we're ready to make our first pass. Let's see if he can get it down. We got Rye over here. He's got a YouTube channel too. It's pretty cool. Y'all go check out his car. Y'all probably already following him, but if not, go check it out. Clapped out.
Yep. We're out here representing street cars, real street cars.
What class are you running?
I'm running, unfortunately, the same one as you.
Street tire class.
Street tire. It's a little confusing with the rules. Street tire, true street. What's a true street?
Now, I've got a pro mod racing a street car.
Yeah.
I mean, this is like a legit street car.
So, last weekend we went out to Galat and I ran
Right.
Mr. Britt's Street Invaders class.
Oh, yeah, that's
They
awesome.
said you have to have an exhaust within 16 inches of the rear fender. So we got the big hater pipe over there.
Hater pipe. Look, check it out. How did you attach it? Did it just...
right inside here.
Oh, there's a
There's a
V-band?
little bolt hole.
All right.
So it slides in here like a plug, and then it just bolts on the side of the car.
That's
and
awesome.
It looks like an old Corvette Stingray.
That's what I was gonna say. I can't believe nobody has done that in the past. It'll be outlawed probably soon.
That's what I figured. So we went
Street. That's awesome.
So we put it on there, and I thought about leaving it on there this weekend, but we got kind of accused of kicking puppies in the real street class.
Right.
It's a drag week car. That's what we built this car to do. We did
awesome,
drag
man.
week in 2018 with it. We tried 2019, but it's completed drag week. It's a legit street car. I drive it on the street.
That's
Current
crazy,
tag,
man.
Registration, E85. Yeah, man, it should do pretty decent today.
I like it, man. It's a nice car. Very good. And now I'm going to get claimed the same thing, kicking puppies.
I mean, if I have to lose it
You
someday,
know.
I hope it's you because
You can say you lost to a pro mod.
Dude, I had no chance anyway.
I lost to a pro mod. My car, it will probably run. That's what I'm thinking. I mean, I haven't been on a radial in a long time, so I think it'll be okay.
This is the other guy that we're going to worry about.
Yeah, no, that's the class winner. That's number 1 on the list.
It's going to be 3 of us in the final.
Well, you're second. You got the fastest car out
I
here.
got radials on it though.
And no, we ain't running first round.
I'm calling you.
No, I already got my call out set.
No, I'm calling him out.
I'm calling him out.
No, there's no
This is maybe drag racing. You got to learn. This is a team sport.
Yeah, no doubt.
All right, guys, so y'all make sure to go check out Clapped Out on YouTube. All right, guys, well, there's that pass. It was pretty good. It run about what we thought it was going to run. Can't really share what it did, but it run halfway decent. You see that huge converter. It does have a little bit of pull down. We didn't have a lot of power in it, but that right there is a good pass, guys. That right there is my shift retard, just trying to make it so it don't knock the tire off. It did make a bunch of boost down track. It made 37 pounds of boost way out here. There's a very gentle boost curve. I don't know if that's going to be fast enough to win it or not. But we'll see. We're going to go out there. We're going to have fun. We're fixing to go up to the driver's meeting now. Cooling the car down. Oil pressure seems like it's okay. We changed the oil when we got here. So I think our problem that I thought with oil pressure is okay, that we don't have near as many dips. There's a few dips there, but they're very minor. So here we go. Going up there for the driver's meeting now. First round coming up soon. There's a bunch of cars. Alright guys, here we go. We just pushed up. We got lucky and got the buy this round. So we get another test pass, essentially. So we're running up now. We ended up with 23 cars. So that's freaking awesome. Oh yeah, Justin came out here and joined us today. Alright, here we go. All right, guys. Well, that round was very good. It run pretty fast. It picked up a little bit from last round. It picked up about a half a tenth, which that's about what we had hoped it was going to do. So we're going to push up there now in a minute. Milton went up there and drew for us. We got a race clapped out. We're going to race Rye and his street car. He's got like a legit like street car. So that's who we're racing this next round here. So we're going to push up here in just a second.